Hello, I'm Dr. Adam Fish, and I'm going to take you on a quick walkthrough of the website. There's a course menu which indicates the tutorial subjects. Our core materials are self-directed learning tutorials that build out into diagrams, but our platform has numerous features and tools to support this learning experience. Study plans organize tutorials into blocks that you can share with your students. We have institutional analytics that you can use to track your students' progress. The main setup is a video player that has tools for speed and captions, and the academic notes have flashcard links so students can make an immediate mental connection between the diagrams and real images. Our tutorial drawing pad has top-flight capability, including the ability to draw over a video. We include assessment exercises such as a starter canvas that students can then complete, and the ability to drag and drop labels onto an unlabeled image. We also include exercise quizzes that break down the material into bite-sized activities that can truly last a lifetime.